Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another car stands video. Today we have for you track day BMW M2 competition 4K. Jesus Christ, that was a mouthful. Before we get started, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for all the support, guys, on the car channel. We are almost at 800 subscribers. Let's hit it and let's pass it. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. Keep commenting, liking, and subscribing. Happy 2024. Happy New Year's. And let's go right into it, okay? Let's check this out. Let's check out this BMW. Oh, it's a BMW and it's a Nemo. Love it. It looks sexy, man. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, it sounds amazing, bro. In the water? In the water, hell no. I know he's a pro drifter, but I would never in my heart. We got the Porsche drifting too. Jesus. And then we got, of course, we got, okay, there's an Audi. Is that a wheel? Yo, is that sexy? I'm not gonna lie, that was sexy. Is that a, oh my god, is that a Supra? Is that an Ewu? You know, I've always wanted to drift, but then again, I'm such a scaredy cat, and I'm afraid to die. And I'm afraid to crash my car too, so that's why I never even learned to drift. I don't even have a car to drift in, first of all. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I love and appreciate you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video, okay? Peace.